Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Implementing structured logging in a .NET application using nlog can significantly enhance the way you capture and analyze logs. Structured logging allows you to log data in a structured format that can be easily queried and analyzed. Nlog is a powerful logging framework for .NET that supports structured logging through various features. Step-by-step tutorial on implementing structured logging with nlog. Step 1, set up your project. 1. Create a new .NET project. You can use any .NET project type, example console app, web app. Bash. .NET New Console and nlog structured logging example. CD nlog structured logging example. 2. Add nlog packages. Use nuget to install nlog and any other required packages. Bash. .NET add package nlog. .NET add package nlog.extensions.logging. Step 2, configure nlog. Create an nlog.config file in the root of your project to configure nlog. This file defines how logs are processed and where they are sent. XML. XML version equals 1.0 encoding equals UTF-8. nlog XML NS equals http://www.nlogproject.org/schemas/nlog.xsd. XML NSE equals http://www.w3.org/2001/SML schema instance. Targets. Targets type equals file name equals log file name equals log/$shortdate.log. Layout equals $longdate $level uppercase equals true $logger $message $exception format equals to string /. Targets type equals console name equals log console layout equals $longdate $level uppercase equals true $logger $message / targets. Rules. Logger name equals * min level equals debug write to equals log file log console / rules /nlog. Step 3, write code to use nlog. Now you can use nlog in your application. Below is an example of how to log structured data. Sharp. Using system. Using nlog. Using nlog.extensions.logging. Namespace nlog structured logging example. Class program. Private static read-only logger equals log manager.get current class logger. Static void main, string args. / setup nlog. var logger factory equals new nlog logger factory. var logger equals logger factory dot create logger program. / log structured data. Log info, logger, user logged in, new user ID equals 1, username equals John_Doe. Log error, logger, failed to process request, new request ID equals GUID.new GUID, error code equals 500. Console.write_align, logs have been written. Check the log file or console output. Static void log info, logger, string message, object data. Logger.log information, message, data. Static void log error, logger, string message, object data. Logger.log error, message, data. Step 4, running the application. 1. Build the project. Bash. .NET build. 2. Run the project. Bash. .NET run. Step 5, analyzing the logs. After running the application, you should see the logs in both the console and the log file located in the logs directory. The logs will contain structured data that can be easily queried. ##### example log output. Plain text. 2023-10-0212:00:00.0000 info nlog structured logging example. Program user logged in user ID 1, username John_do. 2023-10-0212:00:01.0000 error nlog structured logging example. Program failed to process request ID :7C9B7A0F45DD4B09BC9F1E9C2A5C6E61, error code :500. ###conclusion. You've successfully implemented structured logging in a .NET application using nlog. By logging structured data, you can make your logs more informative and easier to analyze, which is invaluable for debugging and monitoring applications. You can further enhance logging by using additional nlog features, such as filtering, asynchronous logging, and various output targets based on your application's needs.